These simple fixtures made of scrap are the most useful fixtures for doing handwork at the workbench. The bench hook. This is for cutting off boards. This one allows you to work with either a Western push saw or with a Japanese pull saw. The T bench stop, used in conjunction with a bench dog, gives you something to put boards up against and hold them from running away while you're planing them. The shooting board, for squaring up ends of boards. There's also a version of the shooting board for use with miter cut ends.